Fourth example, we're going to determine whether it is possible to have a triangle with the given vertices. So, is it possible for my triangle to be on these coordinates? And the way you figure that out is to find the distance between them, right? Find the distance between them and see if any of the two sides, the distance is for all three, if the two shortest sides are greater, the sum of the two shortest sides are greater than the longest side, then it'll work, right? So distance formula, if you don't know, is x2 minus x1, or you could do x1 minus x2, doesn't matter, squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. And again, don't think that this is x squared and this is not y squared, okay? It's x, it's saying the second x and the second y, the first x, the first y, because you're finding the distance between 2 points, so then you're going to have x1, y1, and x2, y2, but it's not x squared, okay? Don't make that mistake. It's not, you're not scoring that number. So let's say the distance between AB first. So AB, you're going to have 1 x1 minus negative 2 squared plus 1 minus 5 squared equals, here, this becomes a plus, that's 3 squared, that's 9, plus, that's negative 4 squared, that's 16, which equals square root of 25, which is 5. Then AC is going to be 1 minus negative 5 squared plus 1 minus negative 4 squared. Yes. So then again, this is plus. So I have 6 squared, that's 36, plus, this is also, so that's 5 squared, that's 25. That's 60, square root of 61. And then BC is the last one. For BC, it's negative 2 minus the negative 5 squared plus 5 minus negative 4. So this becomes 3 squared is 9 plus 9 squared is 81. So here we have square root of 90. Okay. Now, if you have a calculator, you can use your calculator to change this to decimal. That way you can compare these numbers with each other. If not, I can just kind of estimate what decimal this is going to be. So if I know my perfect squares, I want to see, okay, what number does this number fall between? Well, let's see. 7 times 7 is 49. So square root of 49 is 7, right? And then square root of 64 is 8. It kind of falls between that, right? But it kind of falls maybe a little bit between right here, a little bit closer to the 64. So this is probably going to be around 7.78, something like that. So this is around 7.8, let's say. This one, same thing. So 9 times 9 is 81. And then 10 times 10 is 100. It falls kind of right in the middle, right? If this is 9 and this is 10, something that falls in the middle is going to be around maybe 9.5. Notice how it's not an equal, it's just kind of a squiggly. It's saying approximately around 9.5. So two shortest sides would be 5 and 7.8. Now I know that if I add these two together, for sure I'm going to get greater than 9.5, right? So 5 plus 7.8 is about 12.8. And 12.8 is greater than 9.5. So this is yes. Okay, these vertices work. Okay, it is possible. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. Thank you for watching Educator.com.